Hi, in this video, I will be showing you problem number 17 from chapter 7, section 4. Evaluate the integral 1 through 2, 4y square minus 6y minus 12 over y times y plus 2 times y minus 3 dy. So the integrand is a proper fraction. The degree of the numerator is 2. Degree of the denominator is 3 because it has got 3 linear factors. And of degree 1, so it is degree 3. So first we have to resolve this into partial fractions. So we will write the integrand, which is 4y square minus 6y minus 12 divided by y times y plus 2 times y minus 3. So 1 for each linear factor, a over y plus b over y plus 2 and c over y minus 3. We have to determine the constants a, b and c. So we will write 4y square minus 6y minus 12 as a times y plus 2 times y minus 3, then b times y minus 3 plus c times y plus 2. Now in order to determine the constants a, b and c, we can either substitute values for y. Suitable choice of values would be good. Otherwise, we can also compare the coefficients on either side and come up with the 3 equations and 3 unknowns, and you can solve for a, b and c that way. I think the easier method would be to just substitute values for y. So we want to eliminate one unknown at a time. So we want to eliminate b and c. So the way we can do that is to substitute y equal to 0. So substitute y equal to 0. The left hand side is 4 times 0, then minus 6 times 0, minus 12 equal to a times 0 plus 2, 0 minus 3, then the rest of them are all 0. So this will give us negative 6a equal to negative 12. So a equal to 2. Then we will substitute. Now we will eliminate either b or we can eliminate c only. You can give any values right now. So we will make one of the parentheses to become 0. So we will pick y equal to 3. So y equal to 3. So it is 4 times 3 square. So that will be a 9 minus 6 times 3 minus 12 equal to a times 0 plus b times 0 plus c times 3 times 5. So it will be 36 minus 18 minus 12 equal to 15c. So that will be 18 minus 12. So that will be negative 6. No, 36 minus 18. 18 minus 12. That will be a positive 6 equal to 15c. So it will be equal to 2/3. 2 times 3 is 6 divided by 5. 2/5. That c will be 2/5. So we got a, we got c, we have to get b. So we can substitute now a equal to y equal to negative 2. So we get 4 times y square, that will be a 4, minus 6 times y, which is negative 2, minus 12. So when you plug in negative 2, a term will be gone, c term would be gone, but b would be there. B times negative 2 times negative 5, c would be gone. So we get 16 plus 12 minus 12 equal to 10b. So we get b equal to 16 over 10. So which will be 8 over 5. So we got all the values of the unknowns a, b and c. So now you come back to the integral I, which is integral 1 through 2, 4y square minus 6y minus 12 divided by y times y plus 2 times y minus 3. This will be integral 1 to 2, 4y square minus 6y minus 12 divided by, which we resolved into partial fraction. So it will be a over y plus b over y plus 2 plus c over y minus 3 dy. As we know a, b and c, we can plug them all in at the last step. When you integrate that, it is a times integral of 1 over y, it is ln of absolute y, plus b times ln of absolute y plus 2, plus c times ln of absolute y minus 3. Everything evaluated between the limits 1 and 2. So it is a times, plug in the upper limit, so ln 2 plus b ln of 2 plus 2, that will be a 4, plus c times ln of 2 minus 3, which will be a negative 1, but because we are taking absolute of negative 1, that will be ln 1. Now we have to plug in the lower limit, so it is with a minus sign in front. So it will be a ln of lower limit is 1. So ln 1 plus b ln of 1 plus 2, that would be a 3, plus c ln of 1 minus 3, that will be a negative 2. But being absolute, we take the positive. So it will be a ln 2 minus ln 1. ln 1 is 0. Here ln 1 is 0. So it is just a ln 2 plus b ln 4 minus b ln 3. C ln 1 is 0. Here you have a minus c ln 2. Now you plug in the values of a, b and c. So a equal to 2. So 2 ln 2. The b equal to 8 over 5. ln 4 minus ln 3. C equal to 2 over 5. 2 over 5 ln 2. Here we will do some amount of computation. Even though we have ln 2, ln 4 and ln 3, you can write ln 4 in terms of ln 2 by writing 4 as 2 square and bringing the 2 in front by using logarithmic property. So it is 2 ln 2 plus 16 by 16 over 5 ln 2 minus 8 over 5 ln 3, if you distribute the 8 over 5, minus 2 over 5 ln 2. So the first one and the last one and this one, when you combine, it will be 10 minus 2, 8 over 5 ln 2 plus 16 over 5 ln 2. That will be 8 over 5 ln 2 plus 16 over 5 ln 2 minus 8 over 5 ln 3. So if you remove 8 over 5 outside, 8 over 5 can be taken as ln2 plus, if we remove 8 over 5 from here, we left with 2 over 5 or 2 ln2 minus 8 over 5 ln3. So it will be 8 over 5 3 ln2 minus ln3. The last part is only just identifying ln4 in terms of ln2 and then combining and then collecting the common ln2s together, then ln3s together. So that's about it. Hope this video helps.